y'all? DIY-Elie here. Welcome. Today we're going to remove this mirror right here. This will be my first time removing a mirror that is literally just glued to the wall. Come with me as we try, as I'm going to try to remove it without breaking it. First, let's get rid of the light fixture right there so we can have easier access to remove it. Let me go turn the electricity off. That's very important. All right, so now I have everything out of the way. I actually got them paint sticks from Home Depot, which I'm going to use. So basically I'm gonna enter all of them behind here so I can slowly pull out the mirror. Hopefully I don't break it. If I break it too, oh well, because I need to remove it anyway. All right, so little by little, you can actually hear it. See? Little by little, baby. I think we're almost there, and I don't want it to drop on me. All right, the sticks are all the way in, so we should almost be there. Oh, I think that's it. I got it. Without a whole lot of damage. I got it. You see? Here's the back. Can you see? All right. I got it. There you go. So that's how you remove a mirror without a whole bunch of damage. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share the video. Now tell me your method. How would you actually remove it? Is there another way to do it? Because somebody actually told me about this. A friend of mine, I was telling him, like, hey, I have a mirror to remove. It seems like it's glued to the wall. So he told me, look, get you some of those paint sticks from Home Depot. Like, just slide them in and push them in little by little. You will hear the mirror tearing off from the wall, and that's exactly what happened. So I feel like that was a success, and I can reuse the mirror. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and patch these holes right here. That way I can attach the other mirror that I'm gonna buy for the vanity. Now, I'm also installing a vanity here. As you can see, that video is coming up. Please subscribe and stay tuned so you can see how I went ahead by actually changing, this bathroom, make it look a little better, you know what I'm saying? So thank you for watching. See you on the next video.